Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have my second FabFitFun box and this one is the summer one, and I decided I was going to go ahead and get this one because I did do a first impression on my last box, which was a couple of months ago, and I really did enjoy it, so I decided I was going to go ahead and purchase the summer one. Now if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a subscription box and you get loads of different things. So you get skincare, homewares, makeup items, you get so many different things in here, so it's not just one that's specifically for makeup or a specific thing. And I do like the fact that you can choose a couple of different things that you get each month, and this does retail for $50 as well, but I do have a coupon code which I'll link down below for you, so you can check it out if you do want to purchase your first box. You do get some money off of it. So this I did purchase myself, so this is a complete first impression on this because I haven't even opened it, so it's a complete unboxing and I'm really excited to see what I have in this because in all honesty I can't actually remember what I chose. I think there was about 2 categories that I chose something in, but then the rest of it I just didn't really like anything in there, so I was just like, just give me whatever you want, because by the time that I managed to put my order in, I think it was only about 2 days after they put it all live, I couldn't even get some of the things that I wanted because it was sold out. So this is going to be very interesting to see what I actually got and see if I actually remember what I chose. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So like I said, I can't really remember what I got in here, I can't remember what I chose, but it is going to be a surprise and we'll actually see if it is worth the $50. Now this did take a very long time to get to me in the UK. I think it took about 2 weeks. I actually purchased other things from the US or somewhere else in the world and it only arrived in about a week, so I'm shocked that this took so long to arrive, but my last one did take a long time to arrive as well. But you know what, we'll see how it goes and we'll actually see if it is definitely worth the money. So if you want to see everything I got in my FabFitFun in summer, then just keep watching. So this box is actually a lot smaller than the last one I got last time, and I think that's probably because I did get some very large products in there, so it does feel quite heavy and it feels like there's a lot of stuff in there. So I'm not really going to go on first impressions on the box size because, you know, I could have a lot of great things in here but just have a smaller box. So let's try and open this up. Let me get some scissors and we'll open it and see what I get in there. So you get a lot of stuff in here. You also get $15 off of your first FabFitFun box. So you do have a code on there which I'll link down below for you so you can get some money off of it. Then you also get stickers like you did last time as well. Also the FabFitFun magazine as well, but I'm not going to look in here because I want it to be a full surprise on what I actually get in here. So this is what the packaging looks like this time. So you get polka dots and also some ice creams and everything to do with summer in there. So let's just try and open up the first bit and see what we get. So we have a 14 free meals on HelloFresh. You can get this in the UK, but I don't know if this is specifically for the US. So the first thing that I have are some blush pineapple shaped ice molds. I'm actually quite happy with this because I genuinely like ice lolly molds and ice molds and things like that, and you can also make chocolate out of them as well. It's a silicone mold and I actually think this is really cute, so I'm actually really happy that I got this. I don't know if I actually chose this, but you know what, I'm happy that I got it because I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. And oh, this I remember that I've got, and this is the CIATE watermelon burst setting spray. This was something that I chose because I think there wasn't really a lot on this choice, but then I looked at this and I was like, you know what, this actually looks really, really nice. And this one, I've never tried anything from CIATE before, but I have heard some really great reviews on the watermelon burst stuff from them. And everyone's going crazy over that watermelon serum thing that I've seen all over TikTok. I can't remember who does it. Everyone's going crazy over that, so you know, this might actually be as good. Hopefully it's not going to be very oily on my skin. I've also got a clip-on selfie ring light. This I don't really, I've already got one of these. I don't know how much this is worth normally. This wasn't one of the choices that you could have. To be honest, if this was one of the choices, I wouldn't have chosen it, or this might have been one of the choices where there wasn't really anything that I decided that I wanted on there. So, you know, it's not too bad. I don't use these though, that's the only thing. So yeah, this is probably the only disappointment that I have so far because the other 2 products I do genuinely really like. I don't know how much all of this is worth, so what we're going to do is we're going to see how much it's worth at the end of the box as well, just so we can see if it is actually worth the money and if you would actually pay the full price for the products in here, because sometimes with beauty boxes I feel like they up the prices just for the sake of it, for it to look like that there's a lot more in there. Anyway, we're going to carry on and see what we have in here. So I have a pedicure foot file. Barefoot Scientist Smoothing Things Over foot file. This I mean, it's good for summer because, you know, everyone wears sandals and flip-flops during summer. I wouldn't have chosen this. I have a feeling this is probably a very expensive product, but you can probably buy these from the pound shop. So, I mean, it's good. And it's something that people will want. But at the moment, I feel like that these two are the only things that I don't like out of the box. But the rest of it seems good. So 2 out of 2. Get a thumbs up from me so far. I also have... Oh, yes, this was the other thing I got. I don't know how this is pronounced. QUAI or QUAI. I don't know. But I've got the DETOX shampoo and then also the scalp massager. This was something that I really, really wanted. I saw this and I was like, you know what? This... I've seen it everywhere and I know that it's very expensive, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. So this is the shampoo. This is absolutely massive. This is a huge shampoo and it's like a goldy shade. It's so, so pretty. So it does have conditioning things for your hair. Also deep cleansers as well, and that's something that I really do need because I don't use a lot of dry shampoo. I only wash my hair once a week because when I used to have extensions, that's just the only time that I used to actually wash my hair because otherwise they can start coming out a lot quicker. So my hair is just used to it. This is a big one. This is 300 millilitres, so this is quite heavy. Then you also get the scalp massager in there as well, which I think is really good. It's something that I really wanted because I don't have one of these. And I think the set of them going together is probably going to be really good. So let's see. Oh, yes. I've seen a lot of these things about. So it's just one that you hold like here. And then that's what it looks like at the bottom. So it's just like, oh, this feels very nice. This feels really nice. So it's not hard either. It's like silicone. So I do like that because I was a little bit worried that it was going to be very hard on my head. But, you know, it seems like it's going to be pretty good. So these I'm very, very happy with. I know that these are very expensive anyway. And I don't know if I can get this in the UK. So I do like the fact that I can try out some new products that I probably wouldn't purchase full price or things that I can't really get over here. So this I'm really, really excited for. And then I think that's pretty much the only things that I can remember. Oh, yes, I remember now. So the product that you get to choose, which is your main product, there were quite a few things. And I saw this and I was like, you know what? I'm really into my skincare. So I decided to go ahead and pick this one. And this is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I know this is expensive on its own, but this is what I got. So it's meant to be really, really good for your face. I do suffer from acne, very, very sensitive skin and very oily skin, and this has soft bristles on there as well. So it does have little details about the brush on the back. I'm not sure if you can see because of how bright my lights are, so I do apologise that they are so bright, but this actually looks really good. I'm very, very excited to try this out because I'm all for using brand new skincare products. It also doesn't have any cords in it, which is perfect because in the UK, if you get a product from the US, you do need to have an adapter, and sometimes it doesn't adapt properly or it doesn't go as full as it could do. So this has Sonic Glow technology, the beauty of silicone, customizable for all skin types, anti-aging facial device, and you use batteries as well for it. This I'm really excited for. I know this is very expensive, so this is probably more expensive than the box. And this, I did pick this up. This was one that I chose. So this is the MALIN and GOETZ Vitamin E Face Moisturiser. I've probably said that name very, very wrong, but this is the one that I chose. I think this is the last one I remember choosing. And I think this was worth a lot of money. I don't really remember, to be honest. I've never heard of this brand before, but I know you can get it from, I think, Cult Beauty maybe. And this is 4 fluid ounces that you get in here, and it's just a face moisturiser with vitamin E, and it does say that it effectively hydrates, balances and calms all skin types. So hopefully this is going to be really good for me because, like I said, very sensitive skin. A lot of things break me out, a lot of things irritate my skin, and I've only really managed to find a couple of things that do actually work. So I think I might try this out after my acne started clearing up a little bit more, just because I don't really want to irritate it anymore. So yeah, I think this is probably going to be pretty good. Let me see if it has a scent. So it has a cap on it. So I'm not going to take this off because obviously when you take caps off of things, then you only get a certain amount to use it. And this only is for 12 months. It's also cruelty free as well. And I think I only have one thing left. So the last thing I have is from SERAPHINE Botanicals. And this is a fruit butter lip mask. I've never used a lip mask before. It's an intensive overnight lip mask that envelopes the lips with shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness and elasticity while you sleep. The formula gently melts onto the skin, rescuing it from early signs of fine lines, imparting a rich, dewy finish. It just comes in a tube and it has 12 months on there as well. And don't know what else. Yeah, you can use it before any lipstick or lip gloss, so you can use it at any time that you want to, and it's also cruelty free and PETA certified. So that's everything that I have in the box, and all that's left is like some tissue things left. So we'll see how much everything's worth, and we'll see if there's products that I really do like and things that I don't. I can already tell, you can probably already tell that there's 2 things that I don't like out of this box that I don't really think is worth the money. So I've just had a look online to see how much everything is, and I've done a calculation, and it looks like about $250 that everything's worth. The thing that confused me was that this foot file is $15, and then this is like $20. I personally wouldn't pay about $20 for this. I wouldn't pay $15 for this, because like I said, you can get this on like eBay for probably about £4, and then this for like £1 from the pound shop. So these are the 2 things that I'm pretty disappointed about. I don't see any point of having them in this box personally, because I know that I'm not going to get use out of it, and I just feel like it's one of those filler things as well that people just don't really want, and you'll just choose whatever you want. This moisturiser is $50. I wouldn't pay $50 for a moisturiser. Some people might do, but you know, I've never heard of this brand, so it might be an amazing thing, but for me, I don't know. I'm gonna have to see how it is on my skin and see how it actually goes and if it's actually worth the money. And then this thing, the thing that I am probably most excited about, is $99. So this is double the amount that the box is actually worth, and that's crazy. Even here in the UK, I had a look and looked fantastic. This on sale is £89.99. So this is a very expensive thing, and it's had some amazing reviews on there. But with this box, I feel like it was okay. I do think I prefer the last box, because some of these things I wouldn't really choose myself. So some things I like. So for instance, this I think is amazing. The pineapple shaped ice mould, I'm going to get my use out of it because I really like these types of things. The Key or QUAI shampoo and the massager, those I'm so excited for, like really excited for. And the CIATE setting spray I'm really excited for as well, because I know this is probably going to work out really well. So overall, there's 4 things that I really like, 4 things that I don't. So for instance, foot file, selfie ring, moisturiser and the lip mask, I'm not really too bothered about these. For me, I don't think it's worth the money. I think if there's quite a few things that you do like in here, I mean, if you just want to get this, I mean, you know, probably worth the money just to get this on its own. But I actually prefer the spring box. This one I'm a bit disappointed about, because, you know, there's half the things I liked, half the things I didn't. Some things I didn't really choose anything on the customizations just because I didn't think it was that good. So overall, I'm not the biggest fan of this box. I mean, I think if there's something in there that's worth more than the box is, that you really do want, then I say go ahead and get it anyway. But for me, I do definitely prefer the last box, but I'm happy with half the things that I got, so I know that I'm definitely going to use these. Other things, I think I'm probably going to give them away to people because I don't think I'll use them, and I feel like they could go to a better home anyway. But I am going to keep FabFitFun for the next season just to see what you get in the box for those, because it may be better than this. This just may be a box that's a little bit of a fluke, that's things that you may like or that you might not like. But overall, I feel like this is an okay box. But like I said, I'd only really purchase it if there's something that you definitely want on there that's worth more than the box actually is, and you actually paid less for it. But, you know, I'm a bit disappointed in it. I'm not really the biggest fan, and I don't really like everything that I have in here. So this is my review and unboxing of the FabFitFun summer box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you've tried out FabFitFun, and if you like it, if you don't, just comment down below to let me know. And make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!